Are you looking to showcase your property but can't decide between video tours and photo listings? Let's find out which is more effective. As the real estate market continues to evolve, so do the methods for showcasing properties. In the past, a handful of glossy photos might have been sufficient to catch a buyer's eye. Today, however, the rise of digital media has introduced a new player to the field, the video tour. This burgeoning trend raises an important question. Are video tours more effective than traditional photo listings for selling properties? Video tours offer a dynamic and immersive experience, allowing potential buyers to walk through a property virtually, capturing the flow and the feel of the space in a way that static images cannot. On the other hand, photo listings have been around for decades, providing a quick and easy way for buyers to scan through multiple properties efficiently. Each method has its unique strengths, and choosing the right approach can significantly impact how a property is perceived by prospective buyers. Keep watching as we dive into the world of photo listings, exploring their strengths and potential drawbacks. Scene script. First, let's focus on photo listings, a longtime favorite in real estate marketing. When it comes to selling properties, the visual presentation can make or break interest. Photo listings, with their crisp and clear imagery, have been the cornerstone of real estate advertising for years. But what makes them so enduringly popular? One of the standout advantages of photo listings is their cost effectiveness. Compared to the more technologically demanding video tours, photographs are relatively inexpensive to produce. A professional photographer can capture the essence of a home in a series of shots that highlight its best features, all without breaking the bank. Another significant benefit is ease of access. In our fast-paced world, potential buyers often prefer to scan through images quickly rather than commit to watching a lengthy video. Photos load almost instantaneously, providing instant gratification to those browsing on various devices, from desktops to smartphones. This quick loading time is not just about convenience. It's essential in capturing the fleeting attention of potential buyers. However, it's not all picture perfect. Photo listings do come with a set of drawbacks that can affect the buyer's perception. One major limitation is the lack of spatial awareness they provide. A flat image can only do so much in conveying the actual flow and volume of a space. What might appear vast in a photo could turn out to be less impressive in reality, or vice versa. Moreover, the angle at which a photo is taken can sometimes be misleading. A cleverly angled shot might make a room appear larger or more luxurious, setting unrealistic expectations that lead to disappointment during actual viewings. This potential for misunderstanding can be a stumbling block in the trust between buyers and sellers. While photo listings offer a quick glance at properties, they might leave some details to the imagination. This is where understanding their strengths and limitations becomes crucial in deciding how to best present a property in today's market. Now, shift gears to the dynamic world of video tours. With the advent of digital technology, the real estate industry has embraced video as a powerful tool to showcase properties. Unlike static images, video tours provide a realistic, immersive walkthrough, allowing potential buyers to experience the flow and ambiance of a property from the comfort of their own homes. One of the most significant advantages of video tours is their ability to deliver an immersive experience. They transport viewers inside the property, moving through each room and highlighting features like natural light, spatial dynamics, and the interconnectedness of different areas. This isn't just a viewing, it's an experience that engages the senses and emotions. Engagement is another crucial benefit. Videos tend to capture and hold attention far longer than photos. They can tell a compelling story of what life could look like in a new home, appealing not just to the practical side of buying real estate, but to the aspirational side as well. Through storytelling, video tours can emphasize unique property features, from a breathtaking view to a state-of-the-art kitchen, making each viewing a captivating story to remember. Moreover, video tours have a broader reach. They are easily shareable across social media platforms, websites, and emails, significantly increasing a property's visibility. This wider reach is invaluable in today's market where digital presence dictates visibility. However, the flip side to video tours includes some notable challenges. High production costs are a significant barrier. Creating a polished, professional video requires equipment, skilled personnel, and often considerable time, making it a more expensive option than photo listings. Technical requirements also pose a hurdle. Good lighting, stable camera handling, and professional editing are crucial to producing a video that enhances, rather than detracts from the property's appeal. Additionally, because videos are larger files, they take longer to load, which can be a drawback for users with slower internet connections. Video tours bring properties to life, but they do come with their own set of challenges. As we continue to navigate the evolving landscape of real estate marketing, the balance between immersive experience and practical constraints remains a pivotal consideration. Having looked at both options individually, let's put them side by side. When contrasting photo listings and video tours, a primary consideration is cost. Photo listings are generally less costly. They require a photographer and perhaps some staging, but there's no need for the extensive equipment and editing that video production demands. This makes photo listings a budget-friendly option for those looking to maximize their marketing dollars. On the flip side, video tours, though more expensive, bring a dynamic quality to property showcasing. The cost goes into creating a more immersive experience, which can be a game changer in competitive markets. Imagine a luxury waterfront home. A video tour can capture the essence of the sunrise over the water, something still photos might not convey as effectively. Next, let's talk about engagement. Photos might be quick to scan, but videos hold the viewer's attention longer. They create a narrative, guiding potential buyers through the property as if they were walking through it themselves. This can be particularly effective for unique properties where the flow and feel of the space are selling points. However, production time and technical demands cannot be overlooked. Photo shoots can be wrapped up in a few hours with minimal equipment. Editing is often limited to color correction and cropping, which can be completed swiftly. Videos, however, require careful planning, shooting, and post-production work, which can span several days or even weeks, depending on the complexity of the project. Let's consider user experience. In an era where everyone is on the go, the quick loading times of photos can be advantageous. They allow for easy viewing on any device without the buffering that might accompany video, especially in areas with slower internet speeds. Understanding the unique benefits and limitations of each method can guide your decision. Whether it's the cost-effective and straightforward appeal of photo listings or the engaging and immersive experience of video tours, the right choice often depends on the specific property and the target market. What do the experts say? Let's hear from some real estate professionals. Mark Thompson, a seasoned real estate agent from the bustling cityscape, emphasizes the versatility of video tours. In urban areas where the pace is fast and time is a premium, video tours are invaluable. They provide a real sense of the property's ambiance without requiring the client to be physically present. This is especially crucial for our international and out-of-state buyers, he explains. Conversely, Sarah Jennings, who specializes in rural properties, finds photo listings more suitable. In remote locations, internet bandwidth can be a challenge, making video tours less practical. High-quality photos are more accessible and load faster, providing clear, detailed visuals of expansive properties without the hassle of buffering. From the marketing perspective, digital strategist Emily Clark points out, video content has a higher engagement rate on social media platforms. It allows us to create a narrative around the property, making it not just a space, but a potential home for buyers. However, for quick listings where cost and time are constraints, photos do the job effectively. Commercial real estate broker Joe Daniels adds, for commercial properties where the layout and spatial possibilities matter more, video tours help in visualizing the potential of a space. It's about showing not just the current setup, but also what it could become. Insights from professionals highlight the situational effectiveness of each method. Having explored both sides of the coin, it's time to draw some conclusions. In this discussion, we've delved into the traditional charm of photo listings and the dynamic allure of video tours. Photo listings, with their quick and easy viewing, remain a cost-effective choice for many. They allow potential buyers to scan properties rapidly and appreciate high-quality details that are strategically highlighted. However, they do sometimes fall short in conveying the true essence and flow of a space. On the flip side, video tours step in to fill that gap. They offer an immersive experience that not only showcases the layout, but also the lifestyle a property can support. Through storytelling and engagement, video tours can captivate potential buyers, providing them with a realistic walkthrough of the property. Despite their higher production costs and technical demands, the depth they provide can be invaluable. So, what's the verdict? The effectiveness of video tours versus photo listings largely depends on the property in question and the audience you aim to reach. For those looking for quick information and cost efficiency, photo listings could be ideal. However, if the goal is to create a lasting impression and a thorough showcase, video tours are indispensable. Perhaps the most strategic approach in today's market is a blend of both. Utilizing photo listings for initial impressions and detailed video tours for a deeper dive could potentially offer the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of video tours versus photo listings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights from Realty Solutions.